I don't want to die. I don't want you to have an accident. But if you panic, which you will, what is a panic? You hit the brake instead of the gas. You look to the right. And I'm saying, no, 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 looking straight. Then you look to the left. No, 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 look straight. And then I have to point to the cars. You don't know where to look because no one has ever taught you. But my mom and dad just go to the middle and turn. Your mom and dad have been driving 30 years. Your grandma's been driving 35 years. You've been driving 0. You think you can go around the block one time and you know how to drive. No, you don't. I could spin you around 3 times and you lost. Real talk. So we have to be extremely careful at left turn intersections. It's extremely important, but a lot of you won't listen. And if you don't listen to your instructor, you're not going to listen to your mom and dad. What do you do in this situation? How do you respond? Yes, I save lives. We save lives together. We're not trying to die. This is real talk. This is bringing you value. Give it a thumbs up, man. We talking real here. So blown out tire first. You're going to have a baby heart attack in the car. You're going to grip that wheel. You're going to be like, oh my God. Like you're going to feel the car wiggle and you better hold it because if you lose control, you just rolled your car. If you're going around a curve at about 60, you're going to feel that rear tire kind of slide, squish down. You're going to feel that rim. It is very scary. I don't know if you've been with your parents when they have a blowout. It's scary because you feel that rim hit the cement or the pavement. But if you panic, you're going to roll the car over. The front tire, the car will pull to the right. If it's a right front tire, the car will pull to the left. It's very scary. You've got to control the car. You can't panic. If you panic, you're going to go into the wall to the left. If you panic, you're going to hit a vehicle to the right. He was turning one hand. I'm saying to myself, you drive better than students with 2 hands. Because he was really smooth, turning that wheel. And then I said, make a left turn. Turn it real smooth. I'm like, wow. So once I learned how he needs to control the car, I didn't treat him any different than students with 2 hands. So I think you need to know your strengths and limitations. You need to start in the parking lot. You need to have someone who's really patient with you, who wants to see you learn how to have independence.